Okay guys, this is part 2 to this part of the vlog. So we have extended cords throughout the house. See more over here. Kind of extend to me and my sister's room and my bedroom. And it kind of goes in that way to my parents' bedroom. The generator, turn the light on. This is my cat Mark, because I'm protecting him from the weather. The generator is way over there. That's my sister's car, by the way. Keep animals safe. If you have animals, protect your animals from the Hurricane Michael. Yeah, this is what I got so far. So, yeah. On with the video. So guys, this is Hurricane Michael. It's pretty bad. A lot of windy, a lot of rain. A lot of debris over there. My car's right there. There's a place for it. A lot of debris over there. Pretty bad, and yeah, it's pretty bad.
What are you doing?
What the heck? What? What the heck? What's the debris? Oh my gosh. What? Wow.
A few moments later.
There's my dad doing some branches and twigs off the road. But it's not going on Instagram, Grace. Calm the heck down. That's being cut out in my video. Yeah, whatever you see in the background, and it could be cut out when I post it to YouTube. It's a Hurricane Michael vlog. Look at that strength. That mighty Hulk. Woo. You gotta get some of that stuff. This is Hurricane Michael. The after effects still going on.
It's not even after effects. You're in the middle of it.
Oh, that tree's bending.
Oh, there's a tree right across the road up here.
Oh
well,
no.
I think that's what we gotta call it quincies.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
You can't get out of the road.
I know, I'm gonna turn around and there's this driveway.
I wanna see the
You can go to Simmons Road.
I'm gonna try, but
Jesus.
Okay, try.
don't say that, please. I'll take a ride up here to this tree and you guys can take pictures of that and show it to Mom.
Is it the electricity line?
That's the power line.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, with Tia Grace?
No.
And that's why we don't have power. And you know what that means?
We're not gonna have power.
We're not gonna have power for a while.
Oh no.
No.
We have no power.
Just what we needed, right, girls?
Did you take a picture of that tree down?
I need to see if it shows on video too.
You gonna take a picture of the tree?
See that wire?
Don't touch it.
That's the electricity line.
So you're never supposed to get near a power line.
That's our road blocking, or trees blocking our road. That's exactly what that is, so we can't get out.
Eventually.
You guys get on the other side of it. Walk around that way.
You could get on it.
I'm gonna go that way.
But you're gonna hit these little
Yeah.
side things.
Yeah, well you gotta tell me how close I am, so I need to go on the other side.
Okay, you just wanna
Want
wait
me to
for
do
the
that?
wind to stop really quick and stop.
Uh-huh. I want you to get out too and go on the other side of the tree.
I'm gonna go under.
That's fine. Just don't touch it.
Oh, close your window, Dad. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is about to be the after effects of the Hurricane Michael. We're coming out of my aunt's neighborhood. You can see her coming out from over there in the window. That's her car. There's some weird guy right there. So this is our neighborhood we're gonna come out of. You'll see in 1 second. So these are the roads. The roads are pretty bad. I got a lot of trees down, a lot of twigs and branches and whatnot. This is basically the Klon area of Golden Eagle, it's called.
Clark Lakes.
Klon Lakes, I think. That's what my dad just said. Yeah, you gotta be really careful on these roads because it's really bad. And you can't drive like 35 to 40 miles per hour on this road. It's especially in this kind of road. You gotta probably go about 20 miles, 25 the most probably on this road, approximately. But and then over there is my kind of a bit beyonder. Over there is my child's high school. You can probably see it right from this corner. There's another tree down right there. It's a roundabout. More that way. So we can get a shot of the Charles High School yet over there. That's a tree down by Charles High School. As you think you just saw. Come up here. This is the Bradfordville Road. Has no light because the power's out obviously in all these plazas that people are putting shopping at during Hurricane Michael. During this time. See it? It's pretty dangerous. There's no light up there. If you saw a light, it'd be green, yellow, or red. But basically, Chick-fil-A's out, Wendy's out, Target's out. I assume the gas station's probably out too because no one's at the gas station. No one's at the gas station, nope. Except for that one person over there. I don't know. Yeah, it's out.
There's a bunch of people parked in Target, but I don't know if they're shopping.
Yeah, I'm not sure the top shop either. Yeah, just lights out for sure. Lights out.
They might just park their cars there.
What?
People might just park their cars at Target, keep them safe.
That's true. They may park their cars at Target. Probably true.
You're supposed to go.
Chick-fil-A's closed over there. Wendy's closed. That light out as well. This is Thompson Road. This is Bradfordville Bannerman Road. They're supposed to treat this as a red light.
But people don't know what they're doing, so they're just going randomly. Like that person right there is running the light.
Yeah, it's a little unsafe. Don't ever do that. Like ever. Should you do that though? Was it your turn to go? I guess. I just remember that nice
Now I have to wait for Ann and Amber.
Huh?
Now I have to wait for Ann and Amber.
Yeah.
There she is. Alright, you're gonna get a shot of this tree up here.
Toys closed over there.
Target's got a lot of people.
There's a big branch and tree right here, and this lane's completely closed. You gotta stay in this lane in here. That's closed for sure. Oh my gosh, this is really bad of the effects of Hurricane Michael that we have going from yesterday. It started around yesterday night approximately. It was really windy.
It started about 2 p.m. yesterday.
So it's about the afternoon. Yeah, about afternoon-ish. This lights out too, just like the one back there.
The people don't know what they're doing, so they go through it without stopping.
Yeah. People just wait.
It's treated like a stop sign.
Go. Let's let this person go. Now it's our turn. Power line down, the tree down there. That's a tree on the power line. Bunch of branches here. Wow. Heinz Groceries. This just keeps getting worse. Really worse. Guys, there's a power line company truck over there. You can't see it for that truck, but you see a little white piece coming up. That's the power line people. Who knows what they've been working on, but who knows?
Maybe Maybe they'll work on our road.
What?
Maybe they'll work on our road.
Hopefully, it can. Am I stopping?
Looks like it.
Here? Don't they still have road?
Huh?
No, they're moving. Okay. They're moving. Hopefully, they see the trees. Power line right there.
That's where they're gonna start working.
That tree right there is touching the power line right there. Oh my gosh. It's touching it for sure.
See if the Deer Pond Lane is closed.
We'll see. Yeah, it's
we
close.
can get through. No, we can get through.
You can get through.
What do you mean you can't get through?
What?
It looks like the tree was cut in half.
Yeah, but you can't. It didn't look like there's one tree that still needs to be cut. From what I looked at.
I don't know. It was that bad.
So Deer Pond Lane is kind of. We're gonna see later whether we can get out or not. But this is Freshwater Farms. This is the back way to get to our house. So our neighbor James took a chainsaw and cut down this tree, and then he cut down in half the tree.
Power line.
That line's still down right there, but he basically, our neighbor chainsawed the trees on the ground, and so we could get out of this madness. So this is what it looks like on our back way to the road. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Like I said, it's a war zone. Not kidding. It's bumpy. What do you say?
James Fairfield through the other Deer Pond Lane too.
You did? That's good. So we got confirmation. I guess
The hawk.
we got confirmation that our neighbor James just texted my dad saying that Deer Pond Lane is now drivable. So you can drive through it now. Cause you cut down, chainsaw those trees there on the road too. At least that's good. We can get out now, both ways, from this way and then down that way too. That way's drivable now, from the looks of it. I think I can't tell though.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Oh, that's. Where's Amber?
Where's Amber at? She's coming.
Where's she at?
She's coming.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see all the way through.
Yeah, he got it. Yeah. And there's our house. Right there. There's our house. With a lot of trees, but now you see the backwoods. Backwoods is extreme timber, and there's my car, protected from the hurricane. Driving my mom's car, and there's my dad's car. And we have a backup generator too to have power, and that's what's really bad is right there. Luckily that didn't come on to this side of the house. Luckily it stayed on that side of that yard. Luckily that's still there, but wow, it's been quite the adventure of Hurricane Michael. We're gonna continue this part on with the video of Hurricane Michael. Okay, this is Hurricane Michael at night. Not. And we just got almost an accident there. That was really bad. It's not Hurricane Michael, this is Hurricane Michael after effects at night.
No electricity anywhere.
It's basically pitch black. No electricity in this whole area called Kalorn. Basically no one's got power. No lights. Yeah, there are lights in the neighborhood, but it's not on right now because there's no power. There's the power poles. Street lamps, as you can call them. This place is literally black. Like, you can't see anything on that. You can't see anything over there. You can't. Nothing over there. All I see is pitch black for a long way. Wow. Big deal. Black. Man, it's terrible. Whew. Man. Pitch black, man. Can't see anything but the lights of the cars.
Gas station's got no lights.
Hey, yeah, oh, you can't see it. You got cars over there? You guys just got no lights. You can't see in the video, I don't think. You can't even see it.
Church has got no lights.
And the church over there, you can't see in the video either, but the church right there, that wall. You can't see it, it's a white wall, but that church has no lights.
Fire station does.
The fire station's got lights though.
Because they got a generator.
Huh?
They got a generator there.
And they got a generator, that's why. Wow. The Aftereffects of Hooky Michael. And I'm gonna cut off here. So I'm not sure if it's gonna go on my gaming channel or if it's gonna go on my vlogging channel. I'll have to decide which one. By the way, as bad as it sounds, I'm gonna say make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And man, like this video if you like hurricanes. Dislike this video if you don't like hurricanes. Cause I dislike hurricanes and it's really bad, especially there's no power here. But yeah, if you get a like this video if you thought it was interesting and all up to you in some way. But other than that, I'm Adrian's 14, and peace out, guys. See ya. Bye bye. See ya.
I know I'd go back to you.